Why can't I just offer my services to anyone who walks through the door, right? Why do I have to be specific in who I'm targeting? I get asked this question a lot, and in this FAQ Friday, I'm going to tell you why lawyers should be very targeted and specific in their marketing. I'm Jessica Aries, and I'm a marketing strategist, and I work exclusively with lawyers, and I'm going to talk to you today about the importance of audience targeting. See, the problem is when you market to everyone, you actually market to no one. And the purpose of marketing is obviously to be clear and specific in who you're targeting, and to have that specific type of client walk through the door and ultimately hire you. And the problem is when your marketing is too general and not specific enough, your clients are at risk of thinking that you aren't actually an expert. And that's not the message you want to convey. So the way I like to convey this to attorneys is when you have an issue with your heart, you go to a cardiologist, right? You don't go to your general practitioner. You want to go to a specialist who's an expert in hearts, right? The same is true for your clients. They want to know that they're going to an expert in whatever their legal issue is, whether it's a will or estate planning issue, an immigration issue, a business transactional issue, whatever that may be, an insurance issue. They want to know that you're the expert in that. And it's really confusing to them when they go to your website and they see that you offer all of these services not related to the specific problem they have. So I've seen this a lot happen where an immigration attorney will suddenly start offering bankruptcy services, and they'll start writing blog posts about bankruptcy services, but in reality, they're an immigration attorney. When your client goes and reads those things, or your prospective client goes and reads those things on your website, they're confused and they start to go, I don't know if this person's really the right person for me because I don't know that they understand my true legal issue, my true immigration status issue, my true, H-1B issue. I think this person specializes in bankruptcy and somehow I ended up on their website by mistake. Click off. That's what happens to your marketing and your messaging when your messaging isn't clear and specific to who your audience is. So this is why you want to be really sure that you're targeted and you take the time to really identify who you are targeting, and not so general and not so, quite honestly, open for public access, right? Part of why people come to you is the exclusivity factor. So remember that.